You have been lied to. Right now, there is a $1 product sitting in your kitchen that can remove every single carpet stain in your home, without scrubbing, without chemicals, and without calling any professional. But the carpet cleaning industry has spent decades making sure you never find out. They want you to keep spending $200, $300, even $500 every single time your carpet gets dirty. Today, that stops. I am going to show you exactly how baking soda destroys the worst carpet stains permanently, and why the companies selling you those expensive sprays and steam cleaning services have hidden this from you for over 50 years. Pay attention, because the last tip I share at the end of this video will completely change how you think about carpet cleaning forever. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you. Think about the last time something spilled on your carpet. Maybe it was coffee, maybe red wine. Maybe your kid knocked over a juice box and you watched the color sink deep into those fibers and your heart dropped. You grabbed the closest spray bottle, you scrubbed for 20 minutes, and the stain was still there. So you went online, ordered a professional strength carpet cleaner for $35. You used it. The stain faded a little. Then it came back 3 days later, darker than before. Sound familiar? This happens to millions of people every single year. And it is not your fault. The carpet cleaning products being sold to you at supermarkets are specifically designed to give you temporary results, not permanent ones. Because if the stain is gone forever, you never buy another bottle. The carpet cleaning industry in the United States alone is worth over $5 billion every single year. $5 billion. They are not going to let a $1 box of baking soda destroy that business. Professional carpet cleaning services charge anywhere from $150 to $600 per visit, depending on your home size. They use machines that look impressive. They spray chemicals that smell strong. And 2 weeks later, your old stains start bleeding back through. You call them again, you pay again. This cycle never ends. Families across the country are spending $400, $500, even $800 every single year just trying to keep their carpets clean. And meanwhile, the answer has been sitting in their kitchen pantry the whole time. That is not an accident. That is a business strategy. Here's what they never wanted you to know. Back in the 1950s, when synthetic carpets first became common in American homes, cleaning companies began funding research into carpet care. They discovered very quickly that natural mineral compounds, specifically sodium bicarbonate, which is just baking soda, had an extraordinary ability to lift stains, neutralize odors, and break down organic matter trapped in carpet fibers. The research was real. The results were clear. But instead of sharing this with the public, the major cleaning product corporations, the same brands you see on supermarket shelves today, quietly buried those findings. They spent millions of dollars developing synthetic chemical alternatives that did a similar job, but wore off faster and required repeat purchases. In the 1960s, as the home cleaning product market exploded, companies like the ones behind your favorite carpet sprays lobbied to keep natural cleaning methods out of mainstream consumer guides and home economics education. They paid for advertisements. They funded magazine articles. They made sure that whenever someone searched for how to clean a carpet stain, the answer pointed back to their products. What I am about to show you is the method that was hidden from you for over 70 years. Only 1% of people who struggle with carpet stains actually know this technique. They spent millions keeping this quiet because the moment ordinary people realize what baking soda can do, the entire $5 billion carpet cleaning industry starts to collapse. You deserve to know this. And today you are finally going to. So what exactly is baking soda and why does it work so powerfully on carpet stains? Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It is a naturally occurring mineral compound that is mildly alkaline. That alkaline chemistry is the key to everything. Most carpet stains, whether they come from coffee, wine, pet urine, food, or mud, are acidic in nature. When you apply an alkaline substance directly to an acidic stain, a chemical reaction occurs immediately. The baking soda molecules bond with the stain molecules and physically lift them away from the carpet fibers. This is not a masking effect like most commercial sprays. It does not cover the stain or bleach it. It actually breaks the molecular bond between the stain and the fiber. On top of that, baking soda has a microscopic crystalline structure that acts like thousands of tiny scrubbing particles working at a level your hands and brushes simply cannot reach. It gets into the spaces between individual carpet fibers and pulls contamination out from the inside. Professional steam cleaning services charge $200 to $400 for one room. They use high-pressure hot water and chemical detergents to achieve similar results. But here's the part they really do not want you to know. Independent cleaning experts who have tested both methods side by side have consistently found that the baking soda method, when done correctly, produces results that are just as effective, if not better, at a cost of literally $1. $1 versus $300. The difference is not quality, the difference is knowledge. And now you have that knowledge. First, you need to act on the stain as quickly as possible. If the stain is fresh, take a clean, dry cloth and blot the area gently. Do not rub. Rubbing pushes the stain deeper into the fibers and spreads it outward. Just press straight down and lift. Repeat this several times until you have absorbed as much of the surface liquid as possible. Then move to the next step. Take cold water, not hot, and dampen the stained area lightly. Cold water is critical here because hot water can actually set certain stains permanently, especially protein-based stains like blood or egg. Just a light dampening is all you need. The carpet should feel slightly moist, not soaking wet. Now take your baking soda and pour it generously over the entire stained area. Do not be shy with it. You want a visible white layer covering every part of the stain and extending slightly beyond the edges. If you are dealing with a deep or old stain, mix your baking soda with just enough white vinegar to create a thick paste before applying. The moment baking soda meets vinegar, you will see it fizz and foam. That reaction is the chemistry working. That fizzing action drives the compound deep into the carpet fibers at a speed and pressure you could never achieve manually. After applying the baking soda, leave it completely undisturbed. This is where most people make their mistake. Now they apply something and then immediately start scrubbing. Do not touch it. For fresh stains, leave the baking soda for a minimum of 1 hour. For old set-in stains, leave it for 8 hours or overnight. The longer it sits, the deeper it penetrates and the more stain material it pulls out. After the waiting time is complete, take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum up all the baking soda powder completely. Use a back and forth motion and go over the area multiple times. You will immediately notice that the baking soda you are vacuuming up is no longer pure white. It has absorbed the stain material, and you can often see the discoloration in the powder itself. That is the stain leaving your carpet. If any faint mark remains after vacuuming, repeat the process one more time. Most stains disappear completely after a single treatment. For extremely old or deeply embedded stains, a second application is all that is needed. Never use hot water at any stage, never scrub aggressively, and never mix baking soda with bleach, as that combination creates harmful fumes. Thousands of people have already discovered this method, and the results they are reporting are extraordinary. One viewer who reached out after trying this said she had a red wine stain on her living room carpet that had been there for 2 years. 2 years. She had tried every commercial product on the market. She had called professional cleaners twice. After one overnight baking soda treatment, the stain was completely gone. Another person shared that their dog had an accident on a light beige carpet and the smell and stain had persisted for months, despite repeated cleaning attempts. After using the baking soda and vinegar paste method, both the stain and the odor were eliminated in a single treatment. Before this method, their carpet looked ruined. After, it looked brand new. Results achieved with this method are not temporary. Because baking soda physically removes the stain material from the fiber, rather than masking it, the stain does not return. People who have used this method report their carpets staying clean for years afterward. One family calculated that over a 3-year period, they had been spending over $600 annually on carpet cleaning products and professional services. Since switching to baking soda, their annual carpet care cost dropped to under $5. And the carpets look better than they ever did during those expensive years. The carpet cleaning industry knows these results are real. That is exactly why they have worked so hard to keep this information away from you. But now you know, and you can never unknow it. If this video has saved you money, do one thing right now. Hit that like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps this information reach more people who are still being overcharged and misled by an industry that profits from your ignorance. Subscribe to this channel because next week I'm going to expose another secret that the home improvement industry has buried for decades. And it involves a product even cheaper than baking soda that can fix something in your home that most people spend thousands of dollars repairing. You do not want to miss that one. And here is your final shocking tip. Baking soda does not just work on carpet stains. Sprinkle it dry on any carpet surface, leave it for 30 minutes and vacuum it up. It will eliminate every odor trapped in your carpet, including pet smells, smoke, and years of embedded household odors, completely and permanently. No spray, no chemical, $1. You have been cleaning your home wrong your entire life. Not because you're not smart, because the industry made sure you never learned the right way. Now you know. Take back control.